right? Scientist Newton. So Newton introduced important laws such as Newton's laws of motion. The first law of motion, that any object in the universe will not move if it is not pushed from the outside. If outside force is not there, then any object will not move it from its place or halt from its place. Imagine a ball is there on the table, a ball is there. If outside force is not acting, if outside force is not acting upon the ball, then the ball will not move. Imagine this phone is there on a table. If I don't touch the phone will not move, right? But if we touch the phone and grab it from here to there, if outside force is placed, then the ball will move forward on the table. This proves the first law of motion. If any object. Today I am going to introduce you to the standard model of the satellite. A satellite is a machine which is sent to the space from Earth. Satellite is used for studying Earth, atmosphere, weather and GPS system. These two pins which you can see is mainly solar panels which collect sunlight and converts them into electricity, which runs the whole machine. Inside the whole box shaped thing is antennas and camera, which helps to study Earth. It runs around the orbit of the Earth. Now I am going to show you a simple model of a space rover. A space rover, you can see that wheels are attached here and a simple body and parts of black parts are there. This space rover is actually used to roam around planets where no normal human can go and research. Space rovers collect soil, rock and different types of information to study, which is brought back to the Earth and studied in labs. Now you can see here a simple telescope, Newtonian telescope is there, long cylindrical body and mirror is there, eyepiece is there. All know that telescope is used for watching moon, star and etc. from Earth itself. When the light comes here, it goes into the cylindrical body and by the eyepiece you can
see this is the, just imagine this is the computer. In computer, do you know how many parts are there? There are two kinds of the parts are there. The first one is called monitor. Monitor will use to see the information on the screen for our reference. And the next one is keyboard. Keyboard is an input device which will use to enter the data from outside to inside. Means keyboard we can say the outside. And the information we can type by the using of keyboard to inside of the computer. That's the reason it is called input device. And another input device is called mouse. Mouse is used to operate the controlling system of the computer. The controls how it will be, it has to be moved in a 360 degrees of the screen. Either it may be the right, left, top, bottom or any of the corners. We can use this mouse to move the screen on the computer. And next one is the speakers. Why do we use the speakers? If any of the audio or video, if we want to listen, we can use the speakers. By using of this screen, we can see the audio or video